Hello everyone, I am Krishnan Dev and he is my teammate Vedant. We are studying 8th at Kanshagara Academy Matriculation High Secondary School, Trichandur. Our project title is Low Cost Smart Physiotherapy Hand Glove.
Why we are choosing the topic means nowadays our hand become weak if we do not move hands for an extended period of time. But consider the case of individuals whose hand is paralyzed. There are a lot of smart physiotherapy hand gloves available on the market, but their cost is too high. It will cost around 25,000 and above, so poor people cannot afford it.
To avoid the above problem, we proposed an innovation titled Low Cost Smart Physiotherapy Hand Glove. We used a cricket glove in our project. Along with cricket glove, we used an Arduino UNO, servomotor and a keypad. Arduino is programmed to control servomotor. Whenever the power is turned on, the servomotor starts forward and backward, and it is attached to the fingers of the physiotherapy hand glove. So, paralyzed people can use our projects without support. Our project cost around 5,000 rupees only, so people can afford it easily. Components required. We used cricket hand glove, switch, keypad, Arduino UNO and a battery. Let's see the demo. If we press the number on the keypad, the servomotor operates according to the command. If we press 1 on keypad, it works 30 times. Similarly to other numbers.